Hey, Fred here, and today we're going to go over our offering of pre-roll tins. Custom Cones USA offers multiple stock styles and colors of pre-roll tins, as well as the ability to order full custom printed tins. The three main styles of stock pre-roll tins are the slider tin, retro flip tin, and the button tin. All three styles are certified child resistant, in stock, and ready to ship. The slider tin comes in one size and three colors: black, white, and silver. The white and black slider tins feature a luxurious matte finish. To open, all you need to do is squeeze both sides near these tabs and slide off the top cover. The slider tin is one of the most versatile tins, as it can hold 8 109mm single gram pre-rolls when zigzagging up and down vertically, or you can fit 14 Dogwalker mini pre-rolls zigzagging horizontally. We also offer pre-roll inserts, which come separately and allow you to perfectly create a 5-pack. With so many options, why not offer more than one pack size by using the same container so you can keep your costs lower? To add custom branding, ask our sales team about custom labels or custom boxes. Sometimes it's best to start with stock packaging and upgrade to fully custom tins once you are more scaled up. The next style tin is the retro flip. This comes in two sizes and three colors: white, black, and silver. The color and the black and white options are again a sleek matte finish. To open the small size, all you need to do is press into the center and flip open the lid. The small retro flip is best for 84mm and 98mm pre-rolls and can hold anywhere from 5 to 14 pre-rolls total. The small retro flip tin is deep, so you can layer 1 or 2 layers of pre-rolls. When zigzagging, you can fit 7 84mm or 7 98mm pre-rolls per layer. With the optional add-on inserts, you can now make a beautiful 5-pack of 84mm pre-rolls. We offer both paper and plastic inserts, which are a great way to ensure your pre-rolls stay perfect within your packaging. The large retro flip tin is square and is opened by pushing into the center and opening the lid. Without inserts, you could fit 12 109mm 1 gram pre-rolls in the zigzag orientation. The last style of pre-roll tin is the button tin, which comes in two sizes and three colors of black, white, and silver. The colors on these is a glossy finish. To open the button tin, all you need to do is press down both buttons and flip open the lid. The small button tin holds 6 70mm Dogwalker pre-rolls without inserts, or 5 pre-rolls when using paper or plastic inserts. The large button tin is designed for 109 1 gram pre-rolls and can hold 6 without any inserts, 5 with paper inserts, and 4 with plastic inserts. The fastest and most economical way to brand your pre-roll tins is with a custom label, which we have the best pricing and offer the highest quality labels. For larger orders and with custom lead times, you can get fully printed custom tins in any style. We can also custom print on our stock tins. Just call or email us today. To take your pre-roll packaging to the next level, ask our team of pre-roll experts about custom display boxes for your tins, which help your product stand out on a dispensary shelf. We also offer paper and plastic pre-roll multi-packs like our child-resistant push pack, custom cigarette box, or the CR slider box and snap pack. We are proud to have the largest variety of plastic and glass pre-roll tubes. And don't forget, with our custom labels and application service, we can label tubes for you. Thanks for watching this video about tins. For any more information about pre-roll packaging and pre-rolls in general, go to our website at customconesusa.com, and we'll see you next time.